Let me ask you a question. Would you ever marry someone without meeting them or getting to know them? Maybe you go on an app and see a hot guy and say, hey, I'm going to marry him. Well, I might say that, but I don't really mean it. It would be crazy to marry someone without knowing him. Well, I wouldn't do that, and I don't think you would either. So, let me tell you, counting on Zillow for your Zestimate for the value of your home is just like doing that. Zillow has never been in your home, they've never seen it. It's actually an algorithm and a computer basing your home's value on the data of your neighbors. So what did your neighbors sell for? How many bedrooms did they have? How many baths did they have? Now, as an agent, we all do that. Everybody's gonna start there, but there's a lot more that goes into what the value of your home is. Hi, I'm Bonnie Fleshman with Douglas Realty, and I'm going to tell you why you should hire a realtor. We take a detailed look at the comparables, the absorption rate, and many other factors when determining the price of your home. There's inventory levels, buyer demand, interest rates, upgrades, amenities and location, etc. All those things are very important when pricing out your home. So relying on Zillow for accuracy could be a costly mistake for you because Zillow doesn't take these other things into consideration. They may actually undervalue your home. Let me show you an example. I had a home in Pasadena. It was a beautiful rancher, completely redone. I had sold it years ago to a friend, and the Zillow Zestimate was $595. It's pretty close to that. But I have been working with other clients for several years trying to find a rancher, and they are extremely hard to find in our county and in Pasadena, where this particular house was. So I found out that they were finally willing to pay $650,000 for a house they loved. So when I looked at this house, it was very similar. It wasn't as nice as the first house I sold, but it did have a basement to offset that other sale. So I told my friend, I think you can get $650,000 for this house because ranchers are desirable, and I can make this happen. We can use that comp and some other ones that I found. So that's exactly what we did. She got several offers and got $650,000. She was so excited that she netted $55,000 more than the Zillow Zestimate. So $55,000, you could buy a car with that. Imagine if she had chosen an inexperienced agent who used Zestimate for her value because she didn't have the knowledge to know better. Relying on Zillow for your value is the same as relying on that picture to pick your mate. Maybe you should have swiped left instead of right because you're only getting half of the information, half of the picture. Zestimates are not necessarily accurate. Call a professional who has the experience and the ability to assess the value of your home considering everything, not just the things that they can see. For a more accurate value, call us. We've sold hundreds of homes right here in Anne Arundel County, and we could provide you with a custom marketing plan from a real life person who lives, works, and breathes real estate full time.